Hey guys, you doing all right? My name is Jetlag Liv, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, we've got an exciting video today. I'm so excited. Can I say excited anymore? No. We are doing something very cool. What we're going to get into today is I will be opening up and reviewing 2 mystery Target beauty boxes. Look at these guys. Aren't they pretty? So if you aren't familiar with Target beauty boxes, let me go ahead and explain. These are not subscription boxes, so you don't have to get one every single month. Basically, what Target does is they put travel and small sized and sometimes full size items in these boxes. They theme them to the month of the year. They have men's ones, women's, specialty products in one. They're themed, right? In this box, we've got some small items, maybe a full size. I'm not sure, because here's the kicker. I've had my mom go online and I said,
Mom, get me 2 Target beauty boxes, whatever you want.
And we're gonna make it a surprise. It was more fun that way, with a little surprise in it. So I thought it'd be a cool challenge. Maybe I could do this more often, have people pick out Target beauty boxes for me, and then we'll just open them up and it's a surprise for everyone. I don't know. So these boxes can be purchased on Target.com. You can get free shipping if you have a red card, or you can get them in the store. I think I've seen some of them in the stores. The cool thing about these is they are only $7. And often enough, there's, I think, about 7 items in the boxes. I'm not sure about these ones, but yeah, they are very cheap, and there are a lot of times Cartwheel offers too. So if you have the Target app, definitely check that out, because you can get, I think they can get down to like $3.50 with your coupons.
It's a pretty good deal.
Of course, I don't know if this is a good deal because we don't know what's in them. But let's get into it. I'm so excited. I'm ready to tear these bad boys open and share the products. All right, guys, don't mind my liquids. I'm one of those people that has a bunch of cups. And then we've got our foofy filming drink.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, let's open these finally. Alright, so I don't even know what month was what. There's no markings on the box, like, whatsoever. So, let's just cut them open and see what's inside. Okay, let's open it up. You guys can see first. Okay, so this was an April box. That's awkward. Okay. April showers may bring May flowers, but when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? Here are the rainy day products you need. This, I won't look at the back because it says the items. So you get one of these inserts. Oh my god, it smells good. You get one of these inserts, and then the items, I won't see, are on the back, so you get a sneak peek. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, something smells so good. Okay, we've got a travel size degree dry spray. This is pretty awesome. I don't know if it has aluminum. Yeah, it has aluminum in it. Sorry, lymph nodes. Okay, we've also got Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. Nice. Oh, snap. Crest 3D Brilliance Advanced Stain Protection. I do love Crest White Strips, just for the record. Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. It's like a nice little packet. You can keep that on the go. So you see what I'm saying? Like, all of these are travel size, so it's super convenient. Bliss Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing pads, smoothing and brightening. That's awesome. That's perfect. I need that. And then, of course, Soap and Glory. We love Soap and Glory. The Puffy Eye Attack. Nice. Oh my gosh. Refreshes and revitalizes tired puffy eyes. Wow. That's awesome. So wait. So all of this was for, I think I ended up spending $3.58 with all of the coupons. You also get a coupon that has long since expired, since this is from April. But man, what is, smells so good. Maybe it's this. Something smells so good, but check out all of these small travel items. That is so sick. Actually, I could use some of this right now. No, I'm not gonna. That was pretty cool, huh? What do you guys think? Let me know what would be your fave in this April box here. And by the way, refurbishing and reusing these lids is so convenient. What you can do is you can put your makeup on the tray. I have one in the bathroom as well for my cotton balls and stuff like that from past boxes that I've gotten. So they just hold everything right there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby indeed. Let's get into the next. Next, we're going to be going into this cute honeycomb one. Love that. I don't even remember what month this one came out in. I've only gotten 2 in my life, and they were absolutely phenomenal. One came with a full-size mascara, and one came with a full-size Shea Moisture hair product, which I use every day. It's fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and open up this one. No markings yet again, so let's see what we got. You guys can check first. Maybe they forgot to wrap it. No, okay. Ooh, au naturel beauty. Please don't scold me if that was very bad. It's been a while since I took French. No doubt natural products have found their spot on the beauty shelf, but snagging eco-conscious versions that are high quality and wallet friendly, not so easy. Ooh, super excited. Okay, again, the items are on the back, but let's not spoil it, okay? And I'm sure an expired coupon. Yeah. Of course. So let's open her up. Oh boy, I see something I already love. Love Beauty and Planet. So this is the hand lotion, coconut water and mimosa flower. Let's see. Oh, it's capped. I'm sure it smells good. We've got Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper Natural Soap. They have great deodorant, guys. The charcoal and magnesium deodorant that Schmidt's has, phenomenal. No aluminum. It's important. We've got Shea Moisture. I am obsessed with the majority of Shea Moisture. Actually, all of the Shea Moisture products that I've tried. This is the African Black Soap, clarifying facial wash and scrub. We gotta exfoliate. I love that. Perfect size for on the go. 1.5 ounces. It's gotta be under 3 for TSA, so that is awesome. The Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm for damaged hair. No rinse conditioner. Wow. I guess you leave that in. That's a pretty good brand from what I've heard. I've never tried it, but I've heard good things. Ooh, we've got another Love Beauty and Planet. Yay! Blooming Strength and Shine. This is a 2-minute magic mask. Ooh, alliteration. You get points. Love Beauty and Planet. You get points for that. I love the smell of their products. And I actually have the lavender and argan oil relaxing deodorant from them. This came in a beauty box. Full size. Came in a beauty box. So definitely, guys, check them out. The beauty boxes. And Love Beauty and Planet. Do that too. Burt's Bees Fluoride Toothpaste. We've got Mountain Mint. Look at that. And it comes with a save $1 on a full size right there in the back. Look at that. Sweet. This is so sick. Again, travel size. So it's tough. I don't know which one I like better. Do I like the natural one because, you know, it's natural, it's better for you? Or do I like the, like, fresh and clean, like, spring box? That's tough. I don't know. All right, guys. We've seen the natural box and we've seen what is the springtime April box. I want to know which one you like better. Comment down below which box you have to have, or if you've ever tried a Target Beauty box. I'd also be interested to know if you guys would ever consider doing a challenge like that, because I think it'd be pretty cool to see people's reactions if maybe their boyfriend buys them a beauty box or they buy their boyfriend a beauty box, because I've done that too. The men's ones are pretty nice.
Pretty cool.
If I had to pick one, which was my favorite? It's tough. I think I'd have to go with the naturals, just because there's so many Love, Planet, and Beauty. Love, Beauty. I cannot ever say it right. There's so many Love, Beauty, and Planet. What is it called? Love, Beauty, and Planet products. Okay, God. So yeah, I think I like this one. Let me know down below what you guys think. As always, thank you so much for being here. And let me know if you want to see, you know, more videos like this, because this was really cool. And of course, on my upcoming trips, which will be announced soon, I've got quite a few uses for the products in here. So I'm very excited. That's pretty much it, guys. As always, thank you for being here. And thank you for watching. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed this surprise beauty box haul, review, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it, thank you for being here. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can join the crew. I would really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.